Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ ní àsìkò tí gbogbo yín tí ẹ bá ń wò mí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Comrade Ìgúnlẹ̀ Olúwamáyọ̀wá Ọmọ́tóyọ̀lé tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí Omeyo, tí mo jẹ́ olórí ọ̀dọ́ ilẹ̀ Oduduwa fún ìjàǹgbara orílẹ̀-èdè olómìnira wa. Kò sí nǹkan tó sáré gbé mi wá láàárọ̀ yìí náà ju wípé à ń gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó dẹ̀ kó jáde lórí agbágbé ìyẹn lórí newspaper tó jẹ́ ìwé ìròyìn. Òun ló fi dàbí pé màá fi lè tún sọ̀rọ̀ mi yìí ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì díẹ̀. So fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá jẹ́ bàbá wa àbẹ́yìn tẹ́ jẹ́ ìyá wa, ẹ jẹ́ má bínú. Kò sídìí tí a fi fẹ́ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ju wípé kí àwọn tó dàbí pé wọ́n kọ ìwé ìròyìn yìí tí wọ́n gbé ohun yìí síta fáwọn oníwèé ìròyìn kí wọ́n lè mọ̀ pé kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ká dẹ̀ fún wọn láwọn reason tí ò fi lè rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Òun ni ẹ ṣe gan-an ojú òní tiwa àníṣe lásán. Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you are listening to me right now. Yeah, my name is Comrade Ìgúnlẹ̀ Olúwamáyọ̀wá, popularly known as Omeyo. I think maybe like 2 or 3 hours ago, I saw on a Punch newspaper that there are some platform or groups or organizations call themselves HURIWA, and by the time I go in detail, I noticed they are human rights, whereby the right to the DSS that DSS should immediately arrest Chief Dr. Sunday Adeniyi Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. I would say that can never be. That can never be, because Chief Sunday Igboho has never done anything that will make DSS to arrest him. That's one. Secondly, I don't know, in Nigeria we have freedom of speech. We have freedom of speech in Nigeria. Even if it is the way the Boko Haram coming out, the bandits coming out, the Islamic cleric coming out and be saying all sorts of things, whereby the DSS ought to have arrest them. But unfortunately, we did not see that. So if that did not happen, so if Chief Dr. Sunday Adeyemo can say, we don't want to see Atiku or Obi in Yoruba land, I didn't see that as something whereby is even very powerful statement, because everybody has freedom of speech. In Nigeria Constitution, which is the 1999 Constitution, it stated that all citizens has rights to express themselves and to say anything they want to say. So if some group of people call themselves human rights activists, and they now claim that because Chief Sunday Adeyemo said he don't want to see any other party in Yoruba land, so I don't know if you are now saying DSS come and arrest Chief Sunday Adeyemo, you must think twice about your decision, because I'm sure DSS himself knows that he can't arrest him for that words, because Boko Haram coming out killing people, raping people, kidnapping people, and still even coming out on TikTok and be doing all kind of things. The DSS did not trace them and arrest them. So if now ordinary citizen that now says he too want to say something, I now say you want to arrest that kind of person, I'm thinking that should never be, because I'll call that sentiment. Even you people that call yourself HURIWA, what are the impacts you guys have even put into every kind of criminality, corruption, abuse of human property, abuse of human rights that you guys are putting in place that we have seen? We see nothing. So somebody cannot just sit down in his or her comfort zone and started writing shit and send it to the media that they should publish, or because they want them to know that maybe they are talking or they exist. I don't know. So if it is because of what Chief Sunday Igboho said, that he said DSS should arrest him, I'm sure DSS can never do that. I'm sure DSS even will never do that, because they know if they try it, something will happen. Because how will you say that they should go arrest somebody all because he says something? There are a lot of words people have said on platform, on social media, different kind of platforms that we see with our eyes, listening to, and nothing happened. So because Chief Sunday Igboho said that, we don't want to see any other party in Yoruba land. So is that a threat? So I call that sentiment. So please, we condemn it, and we don't want to even hear anything about it anymore. So if you call yourself HURIWA or as human rights, wherever you come from, you are not recognized, and we don't even know you. Even at all you are recognized, what you publish on newspaper should not even come from you, should never come from that organization, because you called yourself human right. And the government abusing power every time, you see nothing to do about it. So if it is now individual, you now channel your strength on. I call that sentiment. Thank you. Once again, I remain Comrade Oluwamayowa and Omotoyole Omeyo. Thank you very much and goodbye.